ChatGPT versus Google is one of the most important technology discussions happening today, as both tools have completely changed the way we access information and solve problems. For more than 2 decades, Google has been the dominant search engine, helping millions of people every day find answers, news, images, videos, and solutions. Users type their questions and are presented with multiple links, which requires clicking, reading, and comparing information to get the correct answer. This process can take a lot of time and effort, especially for complex queries. Google excels at providing real-time updates, news, maps, shopping results, and connecting users to the world's vast knowledge. It remains a go-to platform for verifying facts and gathering multiple perspectives, making it invaluable for students, professionals, and creators. However, even with its incredible reach and speed, Google expects the user to do the thinking and organize information themselves. While it is unmatched for live information and source verification, the traditional search engine approach can be overwhelming for people seeking quick understanding and clear explanations. This is where AI like ChatGPT introduces a revolutionary shift, changing how knowledge is consumed and presented. ChatGPT, on the other hand, represents a new era of artificial intelligence. It can understand natural language questions and provide direct, clear, and detailed answers without the need to browse multiple websites. It explains complex topics step by step in simple language that anyone can understand. Students use ChatGPT for studying, writers and creators for generating ideas, scripts, and content, and professionals for drafting emails, reports, or solving problems more efficiently. This tool allows users to access knowledge quickly and effectively, saving hours that would otherwise be spent on research. Speed and clarity are major advantages of ChatGPT. Users no longer need to click through multiple links or compare sources manually. Complex subjects become manageable, improving productivity and understanding. ChatGPT also supports follow-up questions, enabling deeper exploration of any topic which traditional search engines cannot provide. This interactive style makes learning and content creation faster, easier, and more intuitive. However, ChatGPT is not perfect. It can occasionally provide outdated or inaccurate information, so verification remains important. Combining its strengths with Google ensures accuracy and efficiency in everyday research and work. Both tools have unique strengths and limitations. Google is ideal for live news, shopping, maps, source verification, and accessing multiple perspectives, while ChatGPT shines in explaining topics, guiding step-by-step processes, generating content, and summarizing complex information. Smart users know how to combine these tools intelligently to maximize productivity and efficiency. For example, students can use ChatGPT to understand difficult concepts and Google to verify facts or find additional examples. Professionals can draft ideas in ChatGPT and cross-check updates or news in Google. The future of search is not about choosing one over the other, but leveraging both in complementary ways. ChatGPT explains, Google searches, and together they create a seamless workflow for learning, creating, and making decisions in today's fast-paced digital world. Artificial intelligence continues to evolve, and these tools will only become more powerful, reshaping how humans interact with knowledge, learn new skills, and solve problems. By using both platforms wisely, users gain a significant advantage, becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient. In the new era of AI-driven search, the real winner is the person who adapts, uses technology intelligently, and leverages the power of ChatGPT and Google together, transforming how information is accessed, understood, and applied in everyday life. Now that we understand the strengths and weaknesses of both ChatGPT and Google, let's look at some real-life examples of how people are using them every day. Students are using ChatGPT to summarize complex textbooks, solve tricky questions, and get step-by-step explanations that help them study faster. Professionals use Google to research the latest news, find accurate statistics, and verify facts, while ChatGPT helps them draft reports, emails, and ideas in a matter of minutes. Content creators, like YouTubers and bloggers, combine Google for trending topics and ChatGPT to generate scripts, outlines, or even catchy video titles, saving hours of work. The future of search and AI tools is not about choosing one over the other. Instead, smart users leverage both to become more productive, creative, and efficient. ChatGPT explains, Google searches, and together they create a workflow that is faster, smarter, and easier to use in daily life. The real advantage goes to the person who knows how to combine these technologies intelligently. Before we wrap up, remember that technology is here to make learning, working, and creating easier for everyone. By using ChatGPT and Google together wisely, you can save time, get clear answers, and stay ahead in this fast-paced digital world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which tool do you use more and why? Let us know.